In this Writecream review, I'm going to showcase one of the new features that Writecream currently has, because if you're looking at this software, you probably already know that it's an AI content generator that can help you with your copywriting. But I've got an amazing workaround, hack, whatever you want to call it, that I've been using in order to make full use of one of the new tools that Writecream has got. Because I have been combining Writecream with ChatGPT in order to produce AI art. You see, I was using the image generators like dall-e 2 and Stable Diffusion, but I wasn't getting great results. But what I did was I went into ChatGPT and I asked it to write AI prompts for me. So you can see here, I've got write an AI prompt to create a pencil sketch of a Bernese mountain dog sitting in a forest. Now, I was doing loads of research in order to try and write the best prompt, and I was not getting amazing results. Then ChatGPT did this for me. I went over into Writecream. Writecream have got this particular tool here, which is their AI art generator. Cut and pasted the prompt that ChatGPT gave me into their tool, and I hit generate, and this is the art that I was able to get, and I'm massively impressed by this. If you don't know already, they're using dall-e 2 in order to be able to create this art for you. And not only that, but you can get free credits to use Writecream, so you don't have to pay. And in the description of this video, I put a link to the video I've created previously that will show you how to get additional credits completely for free. Plus, if you stick around to the end, I'll show you where you can go in order to get lifetime deal on Writecream. Then what I thought I'd do was I'd try a completely different style because I was impressed by this. So I asked it to write an AI prompt for dall-e 2 to produce a futuristic scene of New York City at dusk in a vaporwave style. All I did then was copy all of this, pop it into the image generator, which you can see here. You know that you put enough detail in when this light goes to green, and I haven't had an issue with this using ChatGPT because it always makes them long enough for me. I hit generate, it has a think about it, and it produces the output for me. So if you're thinking, and there you go, there's the artwork. It's all been produced, and if I don't like that, all I've got to do is hit generate again. Every time I hit generate, I'm using some credits, but as I said, check out that video. I'll show you all the different ways to get the free credits. And here we go, I've got another output, quite like that one. That one's pretty cool. I think I'll definitely end up downloading that one and using it. So it can cope with lots of different styles of image or art generation. So Writecream, as you can see, it does have the free plan. You get 20 credits, and then this is everything that you can include in it. I haven't updated this yet to cover their Chat Genie, and again, I'll leave a link to that video about Chat Genie, which is amazing. It's much better than ChatGPT on its own because they combine it with Google. I'll leave a link to that at the end of this video. But you can see that they do have a free plan. But if you want to take advantage of that lifetime deal, then here it is. It's over on AppSumo, and I'll leave a link to this in the description as well for you. And you can see you can get Writecream on for $59 on lifetime deal, and you get 60 days money back guarantee. And the link to that will be in the description too. So if you don't want to take advantage of the free account, you don't want to pay $29 a month. This is time sensitive because this deal won't be around forever. But if you click the link in the description, you can get it for $59. If you've missed out on that, then you can get it for $29 a month. And you can see all of the details about what you can do for with Writecream, I should say, by checking out this website. If you can see on the screen now, there's a full video showing you how you can use Chat Genie. You can click on that and learn about that. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.